On a group of islands near Panama, there are poison frogs of all different colors. No doubt, every single one is super toxic. The different colors are tied to what they eat. But honestly, they're all the same species. The more poison they have inside, the brighter they are. Look at this red frog calling out for attention. This is his turf. He's looking for a female. He should be popular. Females love bright, shiny skin like that. Plus, his color shows off his strength to other males. During his search, he spots an invader. Getting closer, he realizes that while the other frog's about his size, its color is way lighter. Different skin tone. This invader isn't going to challenge him, not with such a dull color. But this one's a whole different story. This guy's a real competitor. Now there's no choice. It's time to fight. They're both immune to each other's toxins, so it all comes down to a good OL wrestling match. It's a messy battle, but he pulls through. That other frog won't be back anytime soon. And the prize, a brand new mate. For these little dart frogs, color is everything. Not just for self-defense, but to fight rivals and find a mate. For them, color equals life.